Students, let's start our today's class. Sets, exercise 2.3. We have completed the second bit. We are going to start the third one. When I am reading the question, just look into your textbook. Third one, exercise 2.3. In each of the following, state whether A is equals to B. In previous class, I have ended what is equal set. Equal set, that is two sets having same elements. Two sets having same elements. It is called as equal set. Look here, A comma B. A is there in both the set. B is there. C is there. D is there. That means these two sets are equal. That means these two sets are equal. Next 4 comma 8 comma 12 comma 16. 4 is here in both the set. 8 is there. 12 is not there. 12 is not there. That means this is a not equal. This is not equal set. Now let's move to the third one. This is first, second, third. Yeah, third one. A is equals to 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma 10 and B is x. It is given in a set builder form. It is given in set builder form. X such that x is a positive integer and x is less than 10. Less than 10 is what? Positive even integer, that is even is 2, 4, 6, 8. 10 is not included because it is less than 10. X is less than 10 derama, less than 10. So that means even integers less than 10 is 2, 4, 6, 8. So what do you notice? Here 10 is there and 10 is not there in second set, that is B set. So this is also a not equal. Now third one, x such that x is a multiple of 10. What is multiple of 10? 10, 20, 30, 40, so on. Now what do you notice in both this set A and B? We notice that 10 is there in both this set. 15 is not there in set A. 15 is not there in set A. That means this is also a not equal set. So here equal and not equal concept I have completed. What is equal and not equal? Two sets having same elements is said to be an equal set. Now let's move to the next one. List all the subsets of the following sets. Yeah, fourth one. Again give reason. It is fourth bit. I have read the third one. So fourth one I am just explaining you. It is again you have to going to do it in the textbook. State the reason why it is a not equal set. First one, see, first set में क्या 1, 2, 3 so on till 10. In this is there in the first set. Okay, let us name it as A. Let us name it as A. What is there in the second set? I am giving it as a B. X such that x belongs to natural numbers. X is natural numbers. Okay, done. And 1 is less than x, less than 10. That means x lies between 1 and 10. X lies between 1 and 10. That is x is greater than 1 and x is less than 10. X is greater than 1, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Why I am not writing 10? Because x is less than 10. So what do you notice? Here 10 is there, here 10 is not there, here 1 is there, here 1 is not there. So this is the reason that A is not equals to B. 1 and 10 is not there, element 1 and 10 is not there, therefore A is not equals to B. Third one, A, I am naming the third bit first set as A, that is if A is equals to 5, 15, 30, 45 and I am naming the second set as B and it is that x such that x is multiple of 15. Multiples of 15 is 15, 30, 45, so on. What do you notice here? 5 is there in this set, 5 is not there. Okay, so that means 5 is not there. 5 is not an element of 5 is not an element, not an element of B. 5 is not an element of B. Therefore, A is not equals to B. Now let's move to the fourth one. Fourth one, I am naming the first set as A, that is 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. And second set I am naming it as B, X such that X is a prime number. What are prime numbers? 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, okay, 11 is a prime number. Now what do you notice? 9. 9 is not an element of B. 9 is not an element of B. Therefore, not an element of B. So that means that A is not equals to B. Okay, now is it clear? Yeah, listen boys and girls, this is very important. This is important. Fifth one, list all the subsets of the following set. List all the subsets of the following set. The first one is B is equals to P, Q. The formula to find number of sets, the formula to find number of subsets, formula to find number of subsets. Formula to find number of subsets is 2 to the power of n. 2 to the power of n. So that is 2 to the power of how many elements are here? 2. So 2 to the power of 2. Answer is 4. So how many subsets we should have now? 4. I am writing list all the subsets. List all this. So 4 subsets are there. First one is empty set. Empty set is the subset of all the sets. So first one is empty set. Second one is P. Next is Q. Next P, Q. What is subset? I have explained you in an introductory class. Subset I have explained you. So this is the way to list out all the subsets of the following. Second one, C is equals to X, Y, Z. So first write number of subsets. Number of subsets is the number of subsets is 2 to the power of how many elements are there? 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. अब आपको कितने फाइंड करना है माँ? 8 फाइंड करना है. The first one is empty set. The second one is X. Next is Y. Next Z. Next XY. Next YZ. Next XZ. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last is all the 3, that is X, Y, Z. This is the way you find list out all the subset. This is the way. So now let's move to the next third one. E is equals to the next one. D is A, B, C, D. So number of subset is number of subsets. Number of subsets is formula is 2 to the power of n. So n is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 to the power of 4, that means 16. You have to write now 16 subsets. The first one is empty set. The second one is A. Next is B. Next C. D. अब देखिए हम A B. नेक्स्ट BC. नेक्स्ट AB लिखे, फिर BC. नेक्स्ट CD. नेक्स्ट AD. One, 2, 3, 4. One more AC. Next last B and D. BD. दो के इतने 2 एलिमेंट्स के इतने हो गए. नेक्स्ट राइट 3 एलिमेंट्स A B C. नेक्स्ट A B D. A C D. B C D. Last one A, B, C, D. Count, you should get 16 terms. Count, you should get 16 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Is it clear? Now next one. 1, 4, 9, 6. You people do it. I'll be doing the last one. 10, 10, 100, 1000. 10, 100, 1000. That I'll be doing. So number of subset is how much? That is 2 to the power of 3. That is nothing but 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. हमको अब 8 आना है. So first one is empty set. Second one is 10. Right? अलग different. अलग अलग करके लिखो. Empty set 10, 100, 1000. Next 10, 100. Next 100, 1000. 100, 1000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 100, 1000. Empty set 10, 100, 1000. 10, 100. Now 10, 1000. And last one, all the three. That is 10, 100, 1000.